Your chimney liner has one critical job: to safely carry smoke, heat, and harmful gases out of your home. When a liner is damaged, missing, or installed incorrectly, smoke doesn't always go where it should. Instead of leaving your home, it can escape back into your living space, putting your family's comfort and safety at risk. But smoke isn't the only concern. A properly installed liner system also helps protect your chimney from moisture. Without the right top plate, bottom plate, and professional sealing, rainwater can find its way inside, leading to rust, hidden deterioration, and costly repairs over time. That's why at Shamrock Chimney, we don't just install a liner. We build a complete chimney system using premium American-made stainless steel components, carefully fitted and professionally sealed from top to bottom. Because when it comes to protecting your home, every detail matters, and doing the job right the first time makes all the difference. Shamrock Chimney. Experience you can trust.